on top of the world! What's up, everybody? Luke W just hit 5K subs, and that's a huge appreciation to all you guys. Not only that, but we're out here with my buddy, Andrew Bray. He just hit another birthday.
Another birthday. Went the wrong way on the hike, but look what we found.
Found an amazing spot out here. We're out in Washington State, Mount Rainier. Crazy views out here. This is amazing. The whole point of this is just to get out in nature and enjoy the summer. So I mean, we got my guys here. What's up, Andrew? What's up? We got Kyle in here. You guys living in Seattle, huh?
We do.
Is that kind of hectic right now compared to out here? What do you think about being outdoors versus living in the city, man?
It's not too bad, you know. You get a combination of pretty sights and a lot of things to do. So
yeah, I mean, honestly, we're like 2 hours out from the city. You can come and see these amazing spots. So it's
yeah, beautiful hike, as you can see. Beautiful scenery.
Yeah,
love it here.
Lots of time outside. Been enjoying life. It's been
nice,
good.
Nice,
yeah.
man. Hey, where'd you take us fishing last time? We hit up a sweet fishing spot, huh?
Yakima River. Oh yeah, Clay Elm area, Washington State.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Oh yeah.
So hey, sometimes you got to bring the camera with you and just bust it out, and that's the process that I went through, making almost 400 videos on YouTube. And now, I'm out here feeling on top of the world. All you guys subscribe to the channel. It's just, I can't believe it. And we even saw some crazy like mountain goats out here and stuff. But I think it's about the time to crack a beer and just, say cheers with my buddies. Got a Stella here, and 5K subs. All right, 5K subs. Thank you guys. We're drinking a Stella, and hey, cheers. That's delicious. You guys enjoy the rest of your summer, and please say subscribe. This is one of the vlogs. I don't know how to do these. I just come at informational videos, but talking off the cuff, man. What do you guys think of this crap?
Great job.
Subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the like, smash the like button.
Smash the like button. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and plenty more FBA content on the way. I've actually been updating my course. That's why I haven't been making more YouTube videos. So anyone that's enrolled there, you guys have a bunch of cool gold nuggets on the way. And Amazon's been pulling huge numbers lately. I actually just launched a few new products. Had one of my buddies even help me out with a little review today. So I'm ranking up, and we're gonna be pulling some crazy numbers. So stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.